It's pretty insane to realize that the biggest markets, the most competitive ones, are simply the most competitive because there's so much demand behind them. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a Shopify brand that is in an extremely competitive market, yet absolutely crushing it. They're doing over $10 million a month. I'm going to show you a ton of data here, but I'm also going to make it very actionable, also showing you tools that you can use to replicate this success in a small scale. And let's just get right into it. The brand is called mellowsleep.com. And as you see, they sell hotel pillows and blankets and comforters. That's actually one key right here that I want to share with you. The hotel pillow trend is actually completely popping off. I'm going to show you also shortly, so stay till the end, a new trend that is similar to this that I think somebody can take advantage of, and I'll show you how to do that as well. But let's just dissect this landing page, and first let's look at the traffic. As you see, if this just loads right here, a little bit of a matrix vibe in the Shopee Lab Chrome extension, but you can see 1.3 million monthly visitors, and this is literally going to the moon. I mean, look at this traffic. This is literally up and to the right. I love finding ideas like this. If you look at this as like a stock, this is a chart that you'd want to buy, right? And as you see, it's really, really nice, very nice looking page. However, it's also pretty simple in the sense that this is a very standard, you could say like drop shipping sort of template. And I don't say that to say that these guys are like doing anything wrong. In fact, it's to say that it works extremely well. A lot of times, the top drop shippers or whatever, they may get a bad reputation for bad product quality, but they are some of the best marketers out there. And pretty simply put, these guys have just a nice offer here where you can buy one for 50% off, you can buy two for an even bigger percentage, and then you can buy three and get one free. And right here you can see they have some nice benefits approved and endorsed by top hotels, hypoallergenic, antibacterial, 100% waterproof cloud shield tech. So that's kind of the big thing that they're going after. That's their new mechanism, right? That's how they can compete in this super saturated market, is basically by just creating this waterproof and stain resistant cloud shield tech, right? I don't know if you remember the Purple mattress, those guys, they kind of did a similar thing, and pretty much every new pillow or mattress brand comes into the market with a new mechanism, but at the end of the day, they are all solving the same problem. And it's a pretty good example. They go straight into reviews, which is pretty cool. So right away, they just want to hammer you with social proof, which is a pretty smart approach, actually. Instead of having the reviews at the very bottom, this already convinces people a lot. And then 5-star sleep every night, machine washable, cloud soft feel. These are really nice statics. And let me show you something, because I actually recreated these statics in like 2 seconds. This is what's so incredible about the age of AI that we live in right now. So I'm just going to give you the value to start something, because I want you guys to start brands. I'm starting brands literally every single month. We're doing multiple 6 figures a month across various brands, and we're launching brands with people inside my accelerator called Shopee Lab. And as you see inside the accelerator, I found this trend that's kind of adjacent to this. These guys are going after this hotel pillow vibe. So I think another interesting trend that I just spotted that's kind of starting to boom is the travel slippers trend. This is an angle that I've never really seen many people talk about, right, when it comes to slippers. So I went ahead and found a cool product in this category from my global sourcing and fulfillment agent. It's absolutely free. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can use them as well. And what's interesting is, yeah, these are just like a really cool product. So what I did is I pasted this image. This is their main image that they have on their product page. So if we go to the top, which is another great lesson, right? A lot of people have very stale product images. These guys do not have stale product images. They are amazing. They tell an entire story just through flipping through them. But this is their main header image, their hero image. And as you see, I just recreated it. I just pasted it here. Then I pasted my supplier image. And then I said, recreate the first image, but with the slippers from the second image, and make the background a soft green. And then I made 3 variations at the same time, which is what's cool about this tool, DraftPy. You can make you can make up to 50 at once, but I like to do 3. I like that number. And as you see, some of these are beautiful. Like, these came out really good, actually, especially this one. I like this one a lot, right? Like, this one looks amazing. Water and stain proof. I mean, I didn't change any of the text, right? So I would have it reprompt to have different text. Pretty cool though, right? Now, here's the crazy part, right? So these guys are doing a lot of marketing. I mean, to get that much traffic, that doesn't happen just for free, right? That's the illusion that a lot of beginners, if you're not a beginner, you probably know that this isn't true, but a lot of beginners think, oh, you just make a site and then people just go to it. That's not how it works in the least. In fact, these guys, how they're driving most of their traffic is through meta ads. If you look up their URL, you can see there's 17,000 different results in the meta ads library, which, by the way, is a free tool that you can use to see any brand's ads. The Meta is legally required to show you these ads from any brand. Now, what's also cool about this is that you can sort by highest impressions. So right here, I have the highest impression ads that are being ran. And one interesting thing that you see, so I love looking at just the top four most impression ads in any brand, right? Whenever I analyze these brands and, share the learnings with you guys, of course, and then of course with my community and my own brain. I love to look at the top four just for simplicity, because again, these are like their best, highest impression ads. And what you'll see first and foremost is that they're all from different pages. They are not advertising from the same page. And this is a brilliant thing that you can do. And you don't need to do this with an influencer. So traditionally, this is called whitelisting, influencer whitelisting, where you whitelist a page and you can run ads through it on Meta. I know this because I also own an agency. We have multiple clients, and we've done pretty amazing things with various e-commerce brands, some of the biggest ones actually. So I know all about whitelisting, but here's the thing: a lot of brands that are just starting, for example, if you are just beginning right now, you're not going to be able to afford that. So what you can do instead is you can create your own pages. I mean, you can create as many pages as you want on Meta and attach them to your business. So that's a really awesome strategy that you can do, is just create different pages to advertise your product so that you create this sort of artificial omnipresence, which actually does make a huge difference in the customer journey. But not only that, it also makes a big difference in creative diversity, which Meta really likes. So Meta does like for people to do this kind of stuff because it just creates a better user experience. People are more interested in seeing ads from a brand if they come from different people, right? It's just more trustworthy. Now let's take a look at this top video, because this is their literal top video and it's only 7 seconds long. And I'm going to tie this in here shortly with something very interesting about this brand that I haven't mentioned yet. But you can see it's a 7-second video and it says, "A marshmallow made for rainy days." That's kind of a nice vibe, especially for spring. And then it's just like a nice little background noise, but I'm not going to play because I'm not going to get copyrighted. So yeah, it's super simple, quick cuts, just literally shows like the marshmallowiness of this product, which is, part of the mechanism that's at play, but then also tying it in with like a rainy day, which is very relatable, very, there's a deep desire being targeted here, which is actually just the comfort. People want to feel comforted and safe, right? And that does that very well. Now, this one is the second highest impression ad right here. So let's take a look. This one is 1 minute and 48 seconds. So this one's like a VSL, a video sales letter style video. This is a type of ad that you definitely want in your campaigns because it does a lot of educating, right? So let's actually take a look. My computer's glitching a little bit, but I'm trying my best not to edit this video. I just want to push it out. But let's see, dad noise inbound, and then the okay, let's just play it here. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't give me any issues. I think it's hilarious that someone would make that sound over a pillow.
Oh, you'll understand when you sleep on this. Only one of these pillows is going to keep you away from the chiropractor because it's recommended by them. If you answered this one, I know you wake up with neck and back pain every single morning. Something like this used to be my answer because it has a bar support for your neck. But I realized when I laid down on it, it only had support when I was sleeping on my back. I toss and turn every single night, but I mainly end up on my side. This is so good, actually. So I'll tuck my hand under the pillow to give myself more support. I end up feeling tension on my neck, and then I cut off circulation in my hand, so I wake up with that tingling.
This is like poking at the pain point and like relating to people. This is so good.
in the morning. Tried to upgrade by getting this cervical pillow that has a bar of memory foam. Problem with this one is when you lay back into it, you don't sink into the memory foam. My neck's too high, which puts tension on my neck and on my lower back because I don't have proper posture. I did like for side sleepers, my hand won't fall asleep anymore because you can tuck your arm into the slot. Well, Mello took the cervical, ergonomic, and memory foam of these pillows and made the top pillow of 2025. Made for stomach, back, side sleepers. It's chiropractor recommended, and
it introduces the product. So, okay, we're not going to watch the whole thing. You can go do that on your own time. But yeah, this is a very nice mix of videos that you have here. You have a 7-second video that's super quick and showcases this vibe. And then now you have this like educational VSL style video. And then this is their third highest impression ad. And this one is coming from an actual page. So actually what I'm seeing with these two is these are two coming from actual creators. So these aren't pages that they created. These seem to be real creator pages, which is the last thing I want to show here is, or maybe not the last. So, don't leave yet. I don't want to ruin their retention here by saying that, but these guys are huge on TikTok Shop. This is one of the biggest secrets behind this, right? Is these guys are doing $5.5 million a month just on TikTok Shop. And yeah, they're one of the highest performing brands right now, as you see with their marshmallow pillow or comforter in their pillow. And yeah, some of these videos, some of these like short videos, as you see, pretty much all the top videos are all coming from TikTok, guys. So this is something I've literally been talking about since the beginning of TikTok Shop. I'm using Calidata here to show you this data. I love Calidata. I've been working with them for so long. They're actually one of our agency clients, and I've been working with them actually since before TikTok Shop US even launched. So I've been saying this for a long time, but in various of our clients at the agency, whenever they're on TikTok Shop, they're my favorite clients because I just know that those videos that they're getting from TikTok Shop are going to print on Meta. So this is such a good approach, and you can see it in real time, right? Like their top ads here are all TikTok videos. It's pretty unbelievable. Now, one really cool thing about TikTok Shop that you can do right now, and I've never seen anybody mention this before. Well, first and foremost, I did do a comment analysis here with Smart Reply on their Meta pages, and you can see a lot of people are actually, I want to show you this, not to like hate on them in any way, shape, or form, but just more so to, demystify the idea that like when you're a big brand, you're just doing everything right. The reality is every brand at every level struggles with a lot of the same things like angry customers, shipping delays and things like that. And you can see it through here. People are very pissed. But then, of course, there's also people that are happy and whatnot. But what I was going to say is that Smart Reply actually now has a TikTok Shop integration, and we're literally partnered with TikTok Shop to provide AI customer service for TikTok Shops. Now, the reason why that's such a big deal is because TikTok Shop is extremely strict with response times. So if you're very slow to respond to your customers, you can get dinged on your shop score. And if you don't know what that is, when you're a TikTok Shop, you get a shop score, and when it's really low, TikTok actually suppresses your listings and you can actually just get completely banned from TikTok. So this is a massive deal, and Smart Reply not only can handle the comment moderation, hiding comments, but also handles actual like refund actions and can negotiate with the customer. It's seriously insane. And of course it does this on Shopify too, but I wanted to mention the TikTok Shop thing just because this is brand new and I've never seen anybody talk about anything even remotely close to this. So I just wanted to put it out there, especially for some of you guys that have TikTok shops. This is definitely something you're going to want to look into. But all in all, a lot of resources in this video, a lot of interesting stuff that I wanted to share. I do want to actually just go through a little more of their ads because, again, I've just been trying to emphasize this idea of creative diversity because everybody says it, but not a lot of people actually show it in action. And I think this is one of my favorite ways to show it. All the top brands, they understand this very well. And you see they got these TikTok videos. Some of them are long VSL videos. Some of them are short, just very engaging videos. But then you got their fifth highest impression ad. It's just a nice static that just says goodbye neck pain, hello cloud-like comfort. That's all it is. And it goes straight to the landing page. That's another thing. Everybody's very obsessed with advertorials right now, and I think advertorials are great. I think they're absolutely something you should have in your funnel. but it's not absolutely necessary either. As you see, these guys are just going straight to product page on all of their top ads. So yeah, a lot of really interesting stuff. Hopefully you like this travel slipper trend if you're trying to start something. I know in my audience, there's actually a variety of people, right? Some of you guys are, doing 100K a month. Some of you guys are doing multiple millions a month. Some of you guys are just starting. So I'm trying to cater to everyone, which I know, you maybe shouldn't do, but that's just the nature of what I do. I'm very curious. I'm trying to be as authentic as possible and just follow my curiosity. And that's kind of how we created Shopify. It's an accelerator for Shopify brands. There's really nothing else like this out there, and there probably will never be anything else like this out there, because it's just straight off the dome. Like, I'm just completely making this up as we go, and trying to help as many brand founders as possible, and also funding some of these brand founders. That's what's really cool about it. That's why it's called an accelerator, to accelerate your growth in whatever area of your business you're at, whether you're just starting or whether you're a big brand, and then potentially be able to invest in some of you guys. So that's pretty much about it for this video. I'll leave these resources in the description. I have a couple different discounts, for example, for Callow Data, which is an exclusive discount that we have, for Smart Reply as well. I don't think DraftBuy, we have any discounts or anything. Team Drop is free. ShopiLab is free to use. A lot of these tools are free to access, but most of them are paid actually, because a lot of these APIs are actually very expensive. We provide a ton of data, and we're actually saving people a lot of money. Actually, all these subscriptions combined separately would be like $450 a month. We did the math, but in here it's $99 a month, and you also get access to courses, live calls, and a variety of really, really cool, interesting things. We do live calls all the time. There's members that do 100K a day that join, and it's pretty cool. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll just leave it right here. Wanted to put all this out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.